Lot number 6 is a fully functional PTO-driven square hay baler. This machine is made by International Harvester and is model number 430, serial number 0030031U001629. This square baler has been kept in a shed most of its life. The operator's manual is included with the sale. This classic machine will go to the highest bidder, so bid accordingly. This equipment is part of the Patterson estate in Calhoun, Georgia, and will be sold along with the land, home, and all farm buildings. You can bid with confidence with Auctions United. Call Jim Givens at Auctions United, 800-222-5003 for more information. Auctions United. Your trust deserves our very best.